reaction or no video. Why are you taking a video?
Hey, did you delete the other shit?
No, why are you taking
Better
a
not.
video?
Because I can do that. What the fuck? This nigga.
I'm jumping the pool.
Take that one from me.
No.
Man, look at these hoes. They're new.
I'm not listening. Them shoes ain't new. What the fuck?
You get a video ourselves like that all the time?
Yeah, awkward moment.
You recording?
No.
Shit. Yeah, shit.
Look at his face.
For my face, you want to put the whole YouTube.
Face.
You recording?
Shut the fuck up.
Then I'll kick that hoe. You want the
It's
pool.
hers anyways.
She gonna whoop your ass for holding
I'm
it.
gonna whoop your ass for throwing it.
Watch out my eyes, nigga.
Step in my square.
I don't know,
Hey, it looks pretty. I'm just coming at it and shit.
You got my phone, right? Oh my god, stop taking pictures. You look ugly.
Bitch.
Pictures.
You recording?
Ooh, how many times did he ask that? Oh my god, bro, that's fucking nasty.
Cynthia!
Okay. Anyways.
Stop. You gonna stop it?